Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a zipper braid. I'm actually going to ask Alicia, my model, to help me. But I have done this braid with just my set of hands, so it can be done. But today, no, I didn't feel like it. Alicia's going to help me today. So I'm just going to take a small section of hair from the top. Break this into 3 like you would a regular braid. And then we're going to, like a regular French braid, we're going to go over the centre and then over the centre again like a normal braid. Now this middle section here, you're going to take it underneath this one and it's going to come out to the side like that. And then I'm just going to ask Alicia if she'll hold that for me. And now I'm going to take a slice of hair from this side. So a little slice of hair. And then we're going to go over this one, under this one, and now Alicia's going to hold this side. So we're going to go again, and it's just going to repeat, repeat, repeat. So we're going to take a small section from this side, it's going to go over, it's going to go under, and now I'm going to swap these over. So I'm going to take this one off Alicia, I'm going to bring it underneath, give that one back to her now, and now I'm going to take another section of hair. So we're going to go over, under. Once you get to that other side, you're going to swap these over. So you take this one, you bring it under that one, you give that one back, join these together, take another section of hair. And you can make this braid really, really tight, or you can make it loose. It's completely up to you. So again, over, under, grab that section and swap. Pass that one back, join them together, take a section of hair. You take that section again, it goes over, it goes under, it swaps over, it joins with that left hand one, add in some hair, over, under, swap, back over there, join together. So over, under, swap, join those together. And I just think it's a really, really pretty braid. So you can see where you could tease this braid out if you wanted to. I'm not going to really do that today. I'm going to keep it almost like a medium braid. So it's not super loose and pulled out, but it's also not really, really tight as well. And I've done these styles, you know, sort of on diagonal, all different ways of doing them. And I have seen people do them on themselves and they actually put these bits of hair in the mouths. So again, it can be done. I've just never bothered. So once you've got down to the bottom like that, I'm just going to grab these strands of hair and then I'm just going to place everything into a hair tie. You can just gently tug on these side bits. I don't want the braid to get too big. So just wrapping this hair tie, obviously this is completely optional. And then again guys, this is optional. I'm just going to give Alicia just a little bit of volume in this pony, just because I feel like it's looking a bit flat today, but you know, you could go for a sleek pony look, that's fine. So this is the finished look. I just think it looks so interesting, so different than a regular braid. I'll just show you Alicia from the front. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you again for another video very soon.